Duolingo is an app you can use to learn more than 40 languages, with the lessons organized in game forms and short, to help you build language skills and practice daily conversation. So just download Duolingo from the Play Store, Google Play Store, or your Apple Store. Then open it like this. If you already have an account, click on already have an account or click on get started. Then the app is going to open up like this. Just click on continue and still click on continue as shown on the screen, and then you'll be able to start your lessons and choose whatever language you want to learn. Say what would you like to learn. Then this is for French speakers. Now when you click on this arrow, it will bring up for English speakers, for Arabic speakers, for Chinese speakers. So you choose your primary language because your lessons are going to be designed in these primary languages. So I'm going to choose for English speakers because I speak English. Now, as an English speaker, you can learn Chinese, you can learn Dutch, you can learn, Welsh, Hungarian, Swahili, Latin, you can learn Zulu and other things. So I'm just going to choose Chinese and click on continue. Now, when I click on continue, they'll ask me how much do you know Chinese, and I will click on I'm new to Chinese. If you know, you just choose your level. So I'm already learning this for just the first time, which I will choose and click on continue. Now you are going to be listening to sometimes it will be a listening lesson
coffee,
where while you choose the words, like this is a new word, so I'll just tap on it and increase my volume to hear what it is saying. So this is coffee,
shui,
but you
coffee,
can hear the way they call it. So this is just how it
shui,
is. You
coffee,
will see, a word, and they will call it, pronounce it, and ask you to try. So this one, I made a mistake with one of the words, and I will try again. So even if you fail any lesson like this one, not quite right, correct
ta,
answer is what, this. So even if you make any mistake, you'll be able to correct it before the end of the lesson. So
coffee,
like
flushui,
I continue to get incorrect answers because these words are like new words to me. Like tea is chai, coffee is cafe,
coffee,
you
flushui,
know, and all of that. So
shui,
these are things I don't know before. So you can see the
ta,
language. Then this one is for you to select the correct image, then translate this sentence. They will say it out. I believe you can hear it because I
shui,
made this session to be audible. You will now check what it is,
ta,
how it's
shui,
spelled, shy, shoe, whatever, you know. So this is it tea, coffee, tea and water, tea, water. So you just tap on the letters or the this thing that you feel is the correct answer. So then if the lesson is over, they will try to ask you to correct any mistakes that you made during the course of the lesson. Once you have corrected it, you continue and progress to the next level. And this is just like a game. Instead of using your screen doing nothing or just watching things that will not benefit you, you can use the opportunity to play this Duolingo game and learn languages. You can even learn English even if you're also an English speaker. Like someone like me, that English is not my first language, even though I speak English, I can also use it to make my English perfect. So this app is a very good app. You can also learn chess, you can learn music, you can learn mathematics using Duolingo app. So I've already made a video about them. You can see them in the description of this video, or you can check my channel for those videos if you don't see them. So it's a very good game. So I want to ask you, do you use Duolingo? And Duolingo is very dramatic. Like when they will keep sending me all those emails, if I miss my lesson, they will say, I'm just begging, I'm not above begging, and all of that. It's very, very funny. Like they will say, it's like you're not serious, it's like you're forgotten me, it's as in so many things, so many things that will even make you like compel you to come and try to have a lesson. So Duo is your app. your learning app. So this is, let's fix some mistakes. These are the mistakes I made earlier that I'm going to fix, and when I get it correct, I'll be able to do what, to move to the next what answer and the next lesson. So for me, I'd recommend this. They also have Duolingo for kids. So you can use this opportunity to learn new languages that you have not known, which will help you to build conversations with people from those places. So you can create a profile and add friends to learn with them. You can choose to do that later. It's all up to you. So when you want to navigate to other things in the app, maybe other languages or other lessons that you are learning, click on this place and it will open up to you. So you can learn music, maths or chess by clicking on add course, which is this plus button here. So what language are you going to learn today? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.